The road over bridge is located at Kozhikode Railway Station Yard, the northern part of Kerala in India. The view of the bridge can be seen. It accommodates 5 railway tracks and connecting to major ports within the city. The area is thickly populated. The bridge was constructed during 1960s. The track is being removed for the strengthening of the abutment, including the foundation. The track removal was necessary since the bridge foundation is almost at the bottom of the track. The excavation near the abutment is in progress. Since the area is very close to the sea, the water level is at very shallow depth. The reinforcement tie-up for the RCC jacketing is in progress. The dowel rods projecting the abutment can be seen. Concreting for the jacketing is in progress. Concreting has reached the top level at the end of the day. The track has been reconnected and the first train being allowed on the track. The jacketed abutment can be seen. The approach roads have been closed for the traffic. The entire bridge is being inspected for any cracks, weakness spots and pore spots. The underside of the bridge is being inspected with the help of the tower wagon. The cracks, if any, have been minutely checked. The epoxy patches of repairs already carried out. Fixing up of level tubes in progress to ensure the uniform lifting with not much variation in the cross levels. Water tube along with scale has been fixed with the initial levels already marked on the bridge. The levels are also checked through leveling instrument. The diamond cutter is in operation. The RCC dirt wall at the bridge approach is being cut and removed. The entire wall could be removed at the shortest possible time because of the diamond cutter. Operation of the cutter is in progress. And after cutting the minute parts, the cut portion is removed with the help of the JCB. A portion of the dirt wall already removed. The temporary steel stools are used for the lifting of the bridge for each stage. There are 5 stages including the permanent stool. The jacks are being measured and tested before they are brought to the bridge site. Jacks and stools are being brought to the bridge site. The jacks placed below the bridge are the jacketing point, and all the jacks will be operated simultaneously. IIT professors from Chennai, Dr. Devadas Menon and Dr. Gandhi both have proof-checked the design of the lifting of the bridge or inspecting the bridge site just before commencement of the lifting. As usual, the Almighty is being remembered before commencement of the works. Vertical tapes have been fixed to see the actual lifting height and also to ensure that the levels on 2 ends do not vary much. Dr. Gandhi is coming inside the bridge and personally verifying the works. Now everything got ready. The lifting is about to start. Yes, the lifting is commenced on the jacket getting raised. 25. The more number of the threads of the jacks indicates the lifted height. The first temporary stool is being brought in for temporary support that are kept by the bridge side. This is another diamond cutter called chain cutter. This is used to cut the RCC pedestals at the bridge which are supporting the girder till now. The close view of the cutter. The cutter arrangements are ready for starting the work. Cutting starts. The RCC pedestals at the bridge site is being cut. The diamond cutter has made the job simpler and quicker with better accuracy. Operating the diamond cutter is in progress and cutting nearing completion. Now, after cutting, the concrete pedestal is being removed from the bridge site. In rear, the jack is supporting the bridge. The temporary stools are placed at the bearing location and girder is being brought down on the temporary stools. The top cross bracings are checked during the lift. The lifting is in progress and the train is getting paused under the bridge. Now, the view of the track from the bridge can be seen. During rains also, the works have been carried out. There are different heights of the stools. Fourth temporary stool is about to be inserted. The pipeline on the bridge has already been lifted and being adjusted to the height during the lifting operations with the help of the sandbags. At the edges, the bridge in lifted condition is visible. The permanent stool is brought in. The jacks are in lifted condition. The permanent stool is already welded with reinforced cement. The permanent stool is being placed at the final location. The permanent stool has been placed on one side. One more permanent stool is being brought in and about to be inserted at the other side. Measurements are being taken for the proper placement. The cables have been already lifted. The elastomeric bearings can be seen. And the bearings have been kept just below the bridge support.
Correct center with the
They are being checked for the proper placement. Now, the girder is able to sit on the new bearings. The permanent stool have been encased with concrete. The lifting operation completed in 5 days. The team that worked for the lifting, after completing the lifting of the bridge, The road has been reconnected and the vehicles are allowed to move. The steps have been provided for pedestrians to adjust the lifted height.